Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, what has she said? For God's sake, Mr. Prime Minister, divest this criminal and his brother of the political power your party is giving them. It's still not too late. Hashtag BJP sack Sengar. There's another tweet. This is a third tweet actually that's come in. This is directly talking to the Prime Minister, but very clearly we have seen Priyanka Gandhi Vadra rather active on this particular case. It is about a woman being raped and then the harassment, the alleged harassment her family and her they have faced. She also puts out the FIR. She says, why do we give people like Kuldeep Sengar the strength and protection of political power and abandon their victims to battle for their lives alone? The FIR clearly states that the family was threatened and apprehensive. It even mentions the possibility of a planned accident. Listen to how this has continued to create a ruckus in Parliament.